Hi guys, welcome to C++ programming, lecture number 3. In the last two lectures we have studied about the introduction to C++ programming, that is a professional language of computer. Today we will simply run a program. The software on which we will work on is dev C++. How to run a program? There are three simple steps to run a program: interpretation, compilation, and execution. Interpretation. An interpreter is a computer program which takes source code and converts each line in succession. At each step, it executes the high-level statements. In other words, we can say that it doesn't have to examine the entire program before it can begin executing code. Or, however, programs that are interpreted will generally run much slower than the programs that are compiled. The second step is compilation. A compiler is a program that translates human-given readable source code into computer executable machine code. We can say that compilers are like the translators, which translate all the instructions of the program into machine readable code must comply with the syntax rules of whichever programming language it is written in. So, here I will also tell you that the compiler is only a program which cannot fix our programs. If we make a mistake, it will correct us. We will have to correct the syntax. Otherwise, it will not compile. The third step is execution. This is a process which performs the functions as provided by a user. It will run our program. The errors which we face during the running of our program is syntax errors that are related to errors in grammar or syntax of a language in which we write. Then the runtime errors during execution indicate bugs, for example unhandled exceptions or memory overrun. Number third, the logical errors. Bug in program that causes program to operate incorrectly but not terminate the program. Note: execution starts from the main function and the compilation starts from the first line. Remember this. And guys, now I will tell you how to download our software. Simply go to Google Chrome, open it, right here Google. On the web page, the web page of Google Pairs, here we will write DEV C++, and here it comes download. The second one is dev C++ download sourceforge.net. I will click here. Now the site opens. Now here we saw a green line here. I will just click it, download. So after the downloading, here the icon of dev comes. Now we will open it. As I say you that we will simply run our first program. Then we will go to File, New File, our first project. Here the screen shows Windows application, console application, static library, DLL and empty project. We will select console application. Here C project, C++ project, make default language. We will select C++ project. Press OK. Now we will save it on desktop by name of project 1. Now a blank sheet comes. Now we'll write here hash include include space close operator iostream operator closed. Then the next line, this is include iostream is the main header file. Now using name space namespace std semicolon at the end, then space, now int, that is an integer type, main function main. Now the operators closed, enter the next line, the middle bracket opens. Now enter. I will simply write here system pause to stop our system. After the screen comes in front of us, system bracket start commas double commas pause closed. Now semicolon at the end. Now next line, I will close the bracket. Now we will run, firstly save and then run our program. Save desktop with name of our first project. Save. Now we will compile it, execute it. Firstly compile. Now it is done and our program is ready to run. Now we will run our program. So here it comes. Press any key to continue. This is our first simple program. So guys, this is the end of our third lecture to professional C++ programming language. In the next lecture, we will cover escape sequences, variables and data types. What are the variables? What are the data types? As we use today, int, int. What are the arithmetic operators? What are the variables? And we will simply, after operating our logical and arithmetic operators, we will run a program to add 5 numbers or to subtract, to divide or to multiply. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.